Hey everybody, I'm Christian Johnson. I am the founder of Metis Analytics. In this video, we're going to be talking about a new platform that we just launched called MetisOS Digital Operator. This is an AI agent that works for you 24/7 to really help just offload some of your tasks and proactively help you out. So enough of me talking about it. I want to walk you through the platform. It's very, very simple. If you can use ChatGPT, you can use MetisOS. So let's get into it. So this is our platform. Um, just very, very intuitive. You don't have to know how to code or anything like that. Like I said in the beginning, if you can use ChatGPT, you can use MetisOS. So with this is a digital operator. When I say digital operator, this just means that it's an AI agent that is persistent. It lives in its own virtual environment and it is just there to help you throughout your day to do whatever task that you need. If it can be done on a computer, a digital operator can do it for you. So, what we're going to do today is just talk to my personal digital operator called Titan. So, Titan, like I said, lives in its own virtual environment. It's active 24/7 and it can create its own tasks. It can write essays or white papers, reports. I can do whatever thing that I want it to do. This is your knowledge worker. So when we first start, you're able to provision and just launch a digital operator. You can name it whatever you want it to name it. So mine is called Titan. So in here it just says Titan. He's online, ready to rock. Let's go. So I'm gonna tell him, say, hey Titan, I am recording a video. Can you introduce yourself? Instead of me just telling you who Titan is, I'm gonna have Titan do it. So, hey, I'm recording a video. Can you introduce yourself to everyone? So let's see what it comes up with. And like I said, works 24/7, and he's just there to help you. And also, Titan executes code. So he says, "Hey, my name is Titan. I'm a digital operator developed by Christian and the team at Metis Analytics. Named after Metis, the Greek goddess Titan of wisdom and practical counsel. I'm not just a simple chatbot, I'm an autonomous agent designed to function as a digital team member. I execute tasks, manage complex workflows, analyze data, and interact with other systems to achieve goals. I run on MetisOS, which allows us to operate securely and effectively with an organization. My core purpose is to be a proactive partner, anticipating your needs and taking action to help drive real world incomes. It's a pleasure to meet you all. Back at you, Christian. Awesome. Well, thank you, Titan. I really, really appreciate that. Really, that's so awesome. Well, maybe what we can just do is have it do something, right? What can it do? It says it can write, analyze data. Maybe we just have it create, let's say, a report, a white paper on AI. How about that? um for a test, can you write a white paper on the state of AI? So it's going to now just start writing, and it can also do research. It can also spawn up other sub agents, so these sub agents go do further research, and bring back that information, and then help it actually create the final report. Um, so it just created its report. So, and this is work products. When you think about an agent that actually can do things, go out on your behalf and actually do things for you, right? So it's now done that. I can save this if I want. I can also I can save it to my Google Drive, and I can even have it email it to me. Um so it can email, it has its own phone number. Um One amazing thing too is that you don't have to always use the interface, the web interface, to interact with Titan or your digital operator. What you can do is just you can give it its own Telegram bot ID, and with that, you're able to just text it via Telegram. You can give it its own phone number using a Twilio, and just be like, "Hey, here you go." So what it can do is just, it can interact with you wherever you are doing your work. And Slack, and it can talk to you as well. Whatever interface that you feel most comfortable, you can talk to your digital operator in. Um Also, let me show you this. With this, it has its own thoughts that it's proactively thinking about, and it's saying, hey, like, I should research the current landscape because we're raising capital. So it's now starting to take care of our whole um investor outreach pipeline, so we can email investors and talk to them, and give them our pitch deck and all of that great stuff. This is what, you know being a digital operator is all about, and not just a chatbot, right? Chatbots, you ask questions, get answers. That's great. It's amazing. But you want actual digital operators that can do work on your behalf. So I know this video is getting kind of long, so I'm going to stop there in a few minutes and just show you one more thing. You can also see the activity that it does with that whatever you're doing in your system, with the different sub agents that it spins up. You can see what they've done. You can see exactly, like, hey, like, this is what they did, this is what website that they went to. And so you can know that, hey, your sub agents are working on your behalf of your digital operator. So this is what it's about. And like I said, a digital operator is a persistent system. It securely lives in its own virtual machine, in the cloud, and it's able to work for you 24/7. So we are doing a special right now, on our pricing page on MetisOS. We are doing a pricing of just a free month. We give you a free month, and you're able to then get $29 after that. So very, very simple. So please come check it out. Let me know in the comments. Send me a message, and let's get you a digital operator. Thank you guys so much.